wages. That is a gift from EBE to YG.
EBG, okay?
I'm YG.
Everybody.
Generous.
I'm a young gentleman now. I thank y'all for y'all work. I learned something from you. Thank you very much.
One building.
Thank you very much for teaching me, Jermaine. Thank you very much.
You know what's up, man. You know what's up. You know what's up.
One
You
building,
know what I'm saying? Okay, get the bells ringing. Let's clap it up. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up, clap it up.
Hey, guys.
Hey, what?
Hey, guys.
Hey, what?
Hey, motherfucking guys.
Hey, motherfucking what?
EBE.
ADB?
NDC.
Niggas dipping cherries?
ABD.
6 bells, belly! T.O.P. 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 EBE.
Everybody eat, get paid, bills make money and sleep.
Throw some D's on that bitch, alright? Clap it up, clap it up. Come on, man, clap it up, man. Raise it up, man. God. Y'all ain't get on YouTube no more if y'all don't do that shit. Come on, man. Y'all on YouTube. Come on.
She hit a 50. Hey, got the 50. Need an extra $100.
Oh, got it. Oh, yeah. D announce that. D announce it. You know what?
Week out of. They tell you about that?
You look at mad news to this. Cause keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Actually, let me hold the camera, man, cause I wasn't in the field, so I ain't.
Hey guys.
Hey what?
Hey, guys.
Hey what?
Hey, you already know what's up. 6,000.
Hey, T.O.P. T.O.P. EBE. Everybody eat, get paid, build a business, make money in your sleep. Church, church. Throw some D's on that bitch. All right.
Oh boy, come on.
Hey, God. Hey, God. Hey, what? Hey, God.
Hey, what?
Hey, motherfucking God. Hey, motherfucking God.
Hey, motherfucking guys.
EBE. 5 hours better.
Hey, T.O.P. T.O.P. EBE. Everybody eat, get paid, build a business, make money in your sleep. Church, church, throw some more E's on that bitch. Alright? Hey guys.
Hey, what?
Hey guys.
Hey, what?
Young boy, first day in the field, first bell, without even getting retrained. So light them bombs up. Now blow that shit out. Boom, rehash. Boom, boom, first bell or better. That's what's up.
That's what's up, though. First day in the bell, man. Hey, guys.
Hey, what?
Hey, guys.
Hey, what? Hold on, let me slow motion this one. Slow motion. Let me put this in slow motion. 2010. T.O.P. 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 EBE. Everybody eat, get paid, build a business, make money in your sleep. Church, church. Throw some more E's on that bitch. Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Hey, what?
That's my young boy, first bell, 2010. Boom, rehash. Boom, boom. First bell or first time. Hey, what?
Hey, guys.
Oh, hey, what?
Hey, motherfucking guys.
Hey, motherfucking what?
4 deals are better. Watch.
Hey, T.O.P. 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 Young General, Supreme Closers. We all we got. All right. Hey, guys.
Hey, what?
Hey, guys.
Hey, what?
Ring the bell for my young boy Kev. He got 4 better. That's his first bell.
That's my understudy.
So we gonna light the bombs up when he get here. We gonna light the bombs up when he get here.
Yeah, light him up when we get here.
That's it though. That's
Hey guys.
Hey what?
Hey guys.
Hey what?
Got another victim. Got another victim.
Oh, yeah. So you gonna be.
Buy deals. Again, for you guys out there in the YouTube universe, you already know who I am. You see me, you probably sick of seeing my face. Somebody lost again.
Oh, y'all
regardless
quit. I heard y'all quit.
No, somebody quit off the field. Anyway,
All right.
two things don't lie. Like I tell the customers, two things don't lie.
I'm gonna take it right here.
Black and white and numbers. Those are the numbers, and I'm black and white.
Say EBE, clean sweep. Hey, EBE right there. EBE.
That was bullshit right there. We swept the Cavs. We swept y'all.
If you're challenging somebody every day, competition is not a.
Woo!
I went against 3 dudes.
So yeah.
And one.
Damn, girl.
And one.
Jermaine won, Jenna won.
And
Sunday we go out to get a quick little fight. Kev got a bus pass.
That's what I'm saying. If you filmed it,
So we got 3 niggas.
I don't have
This one,
Hey, damn, man. Can I get an A for effort?
That boy getting the money, boy.
That's what's up, though.
Yo, what's up?
It's the EBE handshake, so you two, let me turn that max energy around.
Let me turn it back to you around.